Let's start. Usa. Usa means one. Duha. Duha means two. Tulo. Tulo means three. Upat. Upat means four. Lima. Lima means five. Unom. Unom means six. Pito. Pito means seven. Walo. Walo means eight. Siyam. Siyam means nine. Napulo. Napulo means 10. In Cebuano accent, the V is pronounced as B or vice versa in counting numbers. So we tend to do a lot of word shortcuts or the slang. The words in open close parentheses, that's how we pronounce the numbers in Cebuano. 11 is 12 is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 50, 60, 70, 90, 80, usa ka gatos. So the 100 is usa ka gatos is it's a native Cebuano, or you can say ciento in Spanish, but usually we say usa ka gatos. And then if we move forward from 100, we say 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 110. And then when we say in 200, we say 200, and then 300 is 300, 400. And then for 500, we say 500, 501, 502, 503, 504, 505, 506, 507, 508, 509, 510. And then for the 600, we say 600. Then moving forward, we say 700, 800, 900. Then for the 1000, we say usa ka libo. Okay, and then duha ka libo, tulo ka libo, or some would say 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000. So the mil is the 1,000 or the 1,000. Sorry. Now let's proceed to the second way of counting in Cebuano language using the Spanish numbers. So for 1, we say uno, uno, 2, dos, dos, 3, tres, tres, 4, cuatro, cuatro, 5, cinco, cinco, 6, sais, sais, 7, siete, siete, 8, ocho, ocho, 9, nueve, nueve, 10, gis, gis. And then we proceed to 11, 12, 13, and so on and so forth. The Spanish counting is mostly used in counting money. Use native Cebuano counting if talking about quantity or volume below 10 items. For example, you want to buy an apple, the seller would ask, "Pila ka buok imong gusto paliton?" Then you would say, "Lima," or "Lima ka buok." That means 5 pieces. Don't say 5 because Cebuano will take it as worth 5 pesos. And I don't think there is 5 pesos worth of apple nowadays. So in terms of volume, use the native counting. Alright, so thank you so much guys, and see you again next time. Bye bye.